Hi, my name is Chris, and I would like to talk to you about some of the cards, some of the hardware that I have developed for the Commodore VIC20 computer. So we will begin with this one, which is a card that goes into the expansion slot of the Commodore VIC20, and there's a 2-port expander. So it gives you 2 expansion slots. There are dip switches on the card which will enable you to switch in and switch out memory banks. So this dip switch will control this rank, and this dip switch will control this rank. This dip switch is used for enabling or disabling the read-write operation to the rank. So there's one dip switch for this rank and one dip switch for this rank. Then there is a reset switch which you can use to reset your Commodore VIC20. There is a small LED here which is not fitted on this card, which illuminates when the computer is powered. Now, I have no immediate plans to develop an enclosure for this, so you buy this and this is what you get. On the reverse side, I have put some sticky pads down so it kind of presses inside the VIC20 mounting and it has its own support. However, when you're plugging cards into this, it's recommended that it needs to be taken out of the computer and then you plug and you insert or you remove the card when it's not inserted in the computer, otherwise you're going to break things. On the reverse side of this card, there are some passive components which basically pull the lines up. That's all. So nothing special here. And the other thing about this card is that the small memory banks, the 1K memory banks, which are near the beginning of the address map, and they're called RAM 1, RAM 2 and RAM 3, and the 2 IO banks, IO 2 and IO 3, which is at the 9000 hex location, these are always enabled to both slots. Okay, that's all I have to say about this particular card, so we will now move on to the next card.